Ooh, I got a brand new box. In not bad shape. Came in a little bit here, a little bit there as far as dings. I've already cut the tape, so I'm going to go ahead and flip this open. And this is what we got. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Get these guys out of the way. I'm not seeing a set of tools. I mean, not like I don't have Allen wrenches, so let's see what's in the box. I'm going to take this. Subscribe for a snack packet. All right. Let's. Ooh, look. Another one from IYV. Okay, after the last one I got from them, I was impressed. So I went ahead and ordered the unknown base that they have. Let me pause this and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. All right. Let's go ahead and come down here. Like I said, this is the unknown base from IYV. There's actually a model number that I'll put on the screen right now. A bit of crud from the bag. More crud from the bag. All right. So this one is, yes, a Music Man style base. Bridge is different than what a Music Man would normally have on it. It does have the two large humbuckers. Now, here's something interesting. That's a volume, that's a volume, that's a tone, that's a tone. A lot of people will sit there and say, well, this is a volume, this is a selector between the two. It's not. This is a volume for this pickup. This is a volume for this pickup. Tone for this pickup. Tone for this pickup. Now, this is a passive bass. So all you have is your cavity cover for just your pots. I do love that they did a 6-bolt neck. Everything seems to be in great shape. The open tuners. Got a little bit of funk on the back of the head there. Not sure what that is. But this is just going to be the quick overview of this bass. Got the old football style jack. The strap buttons are good sized. They're not huge, but they're good sized. And yeah, did have a little box rash from delivery. I'm not gonna gripe about that for the price I paid for it. I did get this when it was on promotion, so I think I paid about $156 for it. So I'll put a link to the bass in the description down there, so you guys can go take a look at it. I know it has gone up a little bit since then. That'll go ahead and finish out this video for just a quick overview and unboxing of the IYV bass. And hopefully we'll have a sound demo coming up soon. And in that sound demo, we'll go ahead and dig into that cavity just a little bit too. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode.